Wow, it's so beautiful out here.
Radio check. How are you doing?
I can hear you loud and clear. I'm close. Can't wait to explore this legendary volcano. There it is. Ha, looking good. There are about 900 active volcanoes on Earth. I hope this one's sleeping.
Remind me, what's the highest volcano in the world?
That would be Uiaco at the border of Argentina and Chile. It's 22,000 feet tall.
What? How do you even pronounce it?
Whoa, this volcano is smoking. I don't like this at all. Oh no.
Come on, move. The boat won't start.
Hey, what's going on there?
Hey bro, radio check. Report the situation.
I don't have time to escape. Oh, goodbye, friends. Ah!
The soul is neither born, nor does it ever die, nor having once existed, does it ever cease to be. The soul is without birth, eternal, immortal.
Where's my boat? Oh no. Well, it was rented. Well, hello there, Snake Island. Thousands of poisonous snakes live here. Ah! Stop hissing at me! Where's your hospitality? I need protection. This stick will be handy. There's a lighthouse on this island. First of all, I gotta get there and call for help. Here we go. I heard the population density here is 1 snake for 2 square meters. And 0 people, obviously. Phew. Seems like the threat's over. Ah! What's that? Anaconda? No! Leave me alone! Here's the lighthouse. Phew. I have only one idea. Let's just hope it works. Yeah! Nailed it! Sorry, buddy. I hope it doesn't hurt too much. Ah! Oh, finally I'm safe. Ah! That monster won't go away! I gotta find a better shelter. Well, it's better than nothing. Not so fast, Snake! Oh, no! Get off me! Take this! Ouch! I hope that wasn't too painful. Okay, let's run upstairs. Like I have a choice. No! Just look at this snake's scale! Phew! Alright, I lied, but I might have a better plan. Hey, there's a rope. Seems like this plan is safer than going back downstairs. Wish me luck, Snake! Ah! Wow! I can't believe I'm still alive! Oh, come on! Give me a break, little monsters! If I survive this quest, my friends will never believe me. No! Get off me! No! Please, let me go! Ah! Whoa! What was that? Thanks! Ah! I want to live! I've got so many dreams to accomplish! Hey, wait a minute! You saved my life! I really appreciate it. Okay, let's leave this cursed island as soon as possible. Okay, what do we have here? Sorry, but I'm gonna have to borrow this kayak. Wish me luck. Ready or not, here I come. Whoa! Nobody warned me about all these obstacles. Phew, I'm getting too old for this stress. Waterfall? Ah! Hey guys! I'm over here! Great catch!
Oh, what's going on? It must be my roommate having a party again. I'm trying to sleep here, buddy. Wait a minute. Am I sleeping? Or is this room tilted? Okay, that's definitely not the roommate. Hey, I need help here. Hey, can anybody hear me? The second class hosted 285 people. Where are they now? I don't like it. Hello? Anybody? Who dropped all this luggage here? Whoa. The unsinkable Titanic is sinking. Really? Oh boy. You must be kidding me. The White Star Line promised to treat me like a king. Is this your idea of royal service? Oh, my cat. I paid £13 for this adventure. I could pay the same money and rent a big house in London for a whole year. And I would stay perfectly safe. Silly me. What am I supposed to do now? They say the water temperature is 27 degrees. I don't even have a life vest. Oh, it's so cold. I'm about to turn into an iceberg. Wow, I can't believe I've managed to get out. It's a boat. Great. No time to explain. Let's go. Whew. Hey, buddy, are you okay? Can I have a wool blanket, please? And, give me back my 13 pounds.
Radio check. This is Gwen Mary 2. This is your captain speaking.
Right rudder, 90 degrees!
Oh, too late!
My head! Cap, are you okay?
I'm okay, but the ship is not. Attention! Attention! This is your captain speaking. We have an emergency. This is not a drill. All passengers and crew, please proceed immediately to the lifeboats and leave the ship as soon as possible. I repeat, all passengers and crew.
Hey Cap, my ship is sinking too, but I have a spacious boat. I can take some of your passengers on board.
Thanks, but we have enough places in life capsule.
Okay Cap, say no more. Listen, I need to switch off for a while. The tugboat is about to sink, but I'm taking my radio with me.
Gotcha. Tell me if you need any help.
Radio check. Captain, how are you doing?
It's fine. All people are safe. Everyone left the ship, including me. Tough day, huh?
Yeah, what a sight.
Don't worry. Both ships are insured. Thank goodness nobody was hurt.
Yeah, so what's the plan now?
Rescue team will arrive in a few minutes. We'll wait for them. It would be better if you come with us.
Oh, I thought you'd never ask.
You're so funny. Come on, we'll pick you up.